To install Gimp, it's actually pretty simple. Go into the terminal and type in sudo apt dash get install, and then Gimp. Now it'll have all of this stuff here, and then eventually it'll say, do you want to continue? And then you just type in Y, then press enter, and then this will take a long time, so I'll be back when it's done. You should just, it took a couple of minutes, and when you come back, you should just see the normal green text there, and you see nothing else is happening, so we can just close out of that. And if we go into the applications menu, I believe, yeah, it will be in graphics, and you can here's Gimp. Now it takes a little bit to open, but not very long. And as you can see, here's Gimp. And yep, it's pretty much average Gimp. You can do whatever.